also used the plate method in preparing my lunch. And for my vegetable group, I have a Thai peanut kale slaw. So similar to coleslaw, but instead of the cabbage, I'm using kale. There's nothing wrong with cabbage, I just like to mix it up. So that salad is simply chopped kale. I've also added some shredded carrots. And the dressing is 3 simple ingredients: a little bit of peanut butter, soy sauce, and rice wine vinegar. And you just mix that up with your hands and you're good to go. Protein group, I've got a meat alternative, so this is roasted tofu. And for my fruit group, I just have simple blueberries, so they're really high in antioxidants and fiber. For my grain group, I have a blend of brown rice and quinoa. We do want to aim for about 50% of our grains to come from whole grain sources, and quinoa and brown rice fit the bill. I have a serving of almonds, and this isn't necessarily on the plate, but it's just a great addition of healthy fats. Almonds, as well as any nuts and seeds, are a great option to add to a meal or to have as a snack. We do want to be mindful of our portions. They are very calorically dense, and so having a small handful as your indicator of a correct portion size is the way to go. For my dairy group, I've chosen a dairy alternative because I'm vegan. So this is a coconut milk yogurt, although you can find soy milk yogurt, almond milk yogurt. The possibilities are really endless these days.